We learned some information today that we want you to know, just to keep you up to speed. The Oneida County Executive has confirmed 2 people are being tested for the coronavirus as a precaution. To be very clear, there has not been a confirmed case. The Mohawk Valley Health System releasing this statement today, saying one of those people is showing respiratory symptoms. This MVHS medical office on North James Street in Rome closed unexpectedly today, and that's when we started asking questions and we learned about the testing. As of right now, no one is under quarantine and no test results have come back yet. The 2 people were tested as a precaution. News Channel 2's Caitlin Erla joins us now live in studio to break down the timeline. Caitlin, good evening.
Good evening, Jason. Oneida County Executive Anthony Picenti will hold a press conference to address the situation at 11 a.m. tomorrow morning at the Oneida County Office Building. MVHS says initial results from the tests should be available by Thursday. Now, this comes less than a month after 1 person was monitored for the coronavirus in Oneida County. In the beginning of February, an Oneida County resident was the first in the county to be monitored for the coronavirus. The resident returned from a trip to China, and while they weren't showing any symptoms of illness, they were monitored by the health department for 2 weeks. After that was announced by Oneida County Executive Anthony Picenti, News Channel 2 checked in with MVHS to see what they were doing to prepare.
You always have to be prepared and educate the public and make sure that our healthcare workers are educated and prepared in the event that somebody does come here.
Fast forward almost a month later, Governor Cuomo announces the first confirmed case in New York State, a woman from Manhattan who tested positive after traveling home from Iran. She's a healthcare worker. The second, now a man who lives in Westchester but works in Manhattan. And 2 families from Buffalo are now being tested.
We also have 2 families in Buffalo who traveled to Italy, and the part of Italy that has had an outbreak. Those 2 families are now being tested, and they are isolated in their homes.
And now, 2 travelers from Oneida County are currently being tested for the coronavirus. MVHS said in a statement, "We want to assure you that we are prepared to care for our patients and employees during this international health event and are holding regular meetings to stay updated on the virus and the evolving recommendations." And again, we are expected to learn more tomorrow. News Channel 2 will stay on this story. We will be at tomorrow's press conference and update you as soon as we know more. Jason, back to you.
Caitlin Erla reporting in studio. Thank you. And we just want to remind you tonight of some of the ways to help keep yourself and your family safe. Simple things, really, all from the CDC. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Also, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Stay home if you're sick. You're not helping anyone. Covering your cough or sneeze with a tissue or the crux of your arm. Frequent cleaning and disinfecting. And make sure you wash your hands often with soap and water.